Welcome to the PKT tutorial for staking PKT tokens on Base. First, you are going to want to navigate to pkt.cash/dashboard. Then connect your wallet. Make sure to connect your wallet that has your PKT tokens in it. If you do not hold PKT tokens, then you will need to buy PKT on Uniswap. For this tutorial, we will use MetaMask. Click the Staking tab on the left side. Click the Add Stake button. Now add the name of your stake. Then add the amount of PKT you would like to stake. If you haven't added liquidity, then leave this section blank. Choose the duration of your stake. The longer you stake, the higher your yields. Toggle off Auto Restake unless you want your stake to auto renew. Here you can enter a wallet address of a candidate to become network steward. Add a referral code so you and the person who referred you can get the staking bonus. Below are your daily yields for this stake. Click Next. A pop-up window will advise you that you are about to lock up your PKT for the amount of time you selected. Review this page, since you will not be able to go back and unstake until the date shown. Click Next. A prompt will launch your wallet connected where your PKT is currently located. Click Next, then Approve. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once complete, your new stake will show up at the bottom of your dashboard. If you would like to add more PKT to your stake, you can navigate to the three dots on the right side of the stake column and click Add Asset. This will allow you to add additional PKT to your stake. You can also increase your stake duration by clicking Change Duration. This will launch your current stake, where you can make the change. You can also change the name if you need, by following the same steps as changing the duration, but clicking Update Data. That does it for this tutorial. If you are looking to claim your migration airdrop, please refer to the next video about how to claim your airdrop. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.